Ever wondered how to turn your travel plans into a beautiful, interactive story map? Build your own digital itinerary on MAPOG where travel meets creativity. Start by opening story.mapog.com and creating a new project. Give it a catchy title and a short description. Select Travel Map as template. Use the Add by uploading CSV/Excel option under the Add Story section. Next, upload your itinerary data and file a simple Excel sheet. Now, open Select Point Type Settings. A dialog box appears for managing location types and hit Add More Location Type. Give it a title, set it as point, and choose any color you like. You can also add extra attributes like day of visit or distance to next location and define their types as needed. Add as many as you want, totally customizable. Once done, select the location type you just created and upload your Excel file right there. Make sure you match the fields correctly, especially the latitude and longitude. This step ensures MAPOG plots your journey perfectly on the map. Once uploaded, MAPOG automatically plots your journey, turning plain data into a visual story of your trip. To make your map more immersive, go into Edit Point Details and in Add Travel Itinerary add all the details. Similarly, add all the data for all the details. Similarly, add photos, highlights, and travel notes for each location. Turn your itinerary into an interactive digital travel guide. In Story Layer, in Style Layer, add Category Style by day of visit to color code routes, making your travel map vibrant and easy to follow. Finally, use the Location Connection tool to link all your destinations in a smooth travel path. Preview your full journey and hit Share to collaborate with fellow travelers in real time. Every itinerary isn't just a plan. Need help? Email support@mapog.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GIS and travel mapping tutorials.